Hey, it's Dustin from Parts Doctor. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the filter in this Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to some Maytag, JennAir, and KitchenAid models. It's super simple. I'll show you step by step, so let's jump right in. The filter traps food particles and debris during the wash cycle to prevent them from being recirculated onto dishes or entering the pump system. This helps maintain proper cleaning performance and protects internal components. Over time, the filter becomes clogged, damaged, or worn. When this happens, you may notice poor cleaning results, debris left on dishes, unusual noises, or reduced water flow. Replacing a damaged or heavily clogged filter restores proper filtration and helps a dishwasher clean effectively. If you need to purchase a replacement filter for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We offer fast shipping and only sell manufacturer-approved genuine replacement parts for all major appliance brands. To remove the filter, first open the dishwasher's door and slide the rack out and remove it. The filter system on this model of dishwasher is made up of a large metal coarse filter and a small circular screen filter. To access the filters for replacement and cleaning, turn the top of the fine circular filter counterclockwise to unlock it from the base of the dishwasher. You can now lift it out from the appliance. To remove the inner basket from the circular filter, squeeze the tabs on the inner basket and pull it from the filter. While you have the filter out, now is a great time to remove the metal filter and clean it. Whirlpool recommends removing both filters and clean them at least once every month or more frequently under heavier use. Use warm soapy water, a soft sponge, or a soft bristle brush to clean your filters once a month. If you need to purchase a new filter, avoid cheap, low-quality aftermarket parts and know that you're getting a manufacturer-approved genuine replacement part by checking out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. Search with the full model number from the tag on your appliance to be sure that you're getting the correct fit. To install your new filter, check that the inner basket is inserted and locked into place. Be sure that the metal coarse filter is cleaned and properly installed in the sump. Slide the filter into the hole in the metal filter and rotate the filter clockwise until it clicks into place. You should see the two arrows lined up when it's properly in place. If the filters are not installed correctly, debris can be pulled into the pump and damage or shorten the lifespan of your dishwasher and its components. Reinstall the bottom dish rack, slide it into place, and close the dishwasher's door. Your dishwasher is now ready to use. Alright, that'll do it for today's video. As always, I'm Dustin from Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.